Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the image you will use as a banner substitute. Use 960 by 540 or larger with the focal area centered, and export as PNG or JPG under 10 MB so uploads won't fail. Once done, open Discord and upload the file into a channel you control. This makes the image available and easy to pin or link. Make sure the composition accounts for cropping so the important parts remain visible. Next, post that prepared image into a dedicated server or DM channel you own. Immediately pin the message so it acts like a persistent banner at the top of the channel. Pinning is available to roles with managed messages. You can also craft a short embed or paste the direct image link into the channel topic so it shows as a clickable header. This gives a banner-like experience to members without requiring Nitro or server boost privileges. Finally, consolidate visibility by cross-referencing the pinned image in the channel topic and a welcome message. This ensures new members see the banner substitute immediately. Once done, remind moderators how to repin or re-upload if Discord compresses the image. If things go wrong, check file size and format first, then confirm pin and manage messages permissions. Reuploading the image with a slightly different file name resolves most caching or upload errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.